everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I am doing an unboxing and impressions video of the Libre Intense. I think you guys have seen my last video, which was just the Libre perfume, but this is Libre Intense. So it's supposed to be stronger. It's supposed to be a little bit more bold. So I'm excited to smell it because the other one is really good. It smells amazing. So let's open this one up and see what this one is all about. Okay, so the plastic is off. I took out all the plastic. We're going to see, we're opening it, and I'm curious as to if it is the same design for the packaging as the same bottle design as just the Libre, not the Libre Intense, which is this one. So I'm curious to see that. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so it is similar. It looks like that. So yeah, it is similar in the design, but if you guys go back to my previous video, you can see that the color is different. This is definitely a darker liquid for the perfume. The other one was lighter. It was a lighter brown. This is a darker brown for sure. Yeah, okay, that's interesting. Wow, I guess they really want to show you that it's stronger, it's more intense and all that. So okay, awesome, this is beautiful. Okay, so let's test it out. Let's see. I'm really excited to see how this one smells. The other one, if you guys watched the video, it smelled amazing, but it was definitely a lighter scent. So I was curious to see how this one would smell, if it would be a little bit stronger or whichever. So let's open it up and see how it smells like. I'm really excited. So you just pull it up like that. It's easy to remove the lid. It's not very difficult. It's just beautiful. So I'm so excited to see how it smells. I'm gonna shake it a little bit. I don't know if that helps or not. I'm not like this perfume expert. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's see. Spray it. I'm gonna spray on my wrist, and I'm gonna let it just. Ooh, I can smell it already. I'm gonna get a good whiff in a minute. Let me just blow it out so that it's not too like up my nose, like it doesn't smell too crazy. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm ready. Wow. Okay, I see the change. I see the difference. Oh wow, this is nice. It's a nice scent. It's an absolutely nice scent. It's stronger, it's more bold for sure. It's like floral with a little bit of a musky base. Oh, like it smells so good. Honestly, I like it. I do like it. Okay, this is nice. I like it. Yeah, that's the only way I can describe it really. It's like a floral scent, but more bold with like a musky base. I don't know, I'm not a perfume expert. I don't know if I'm using the right tones to describe it, but honestly, I recommend this for sure. This smells like something that would last the whole day, and this I'm sure would get, like, you would get a lot of compliments with this, definitely. It's definitely one of those things where someone passes by and you just get a whiff of how they smell, and it's like, oh my god, this lady smells so good. But yeah, so I definitely recommend this. Definitely a 10 out of 10. I know I gave the other one a 10 out of 10 as well. I'm definitely going to do a video where I'm going to compare the two, because this is really good. So like, I don't even know like which one I would choose. But anyway, my first impressions are that this perfume, the Libre Intense, is really amazing. Smells great. Definitely smells luxurious. Obviously, YSL did a great job. And you know, of course, we have to expect the best because, you know, they're up there in terms of great quality items. But yeah, so for me, it's a 10 out of 10. I love it. I recommend it. And my first impressions of it is that it's absolutely amazing. But yeah, so thank you so much, DBRIGHT Squad, for watching. I hope this was a helpful video if you're trying to like figure out if you want to buy this or not. I would say go for it, buy it. You're not going to regret it. You're going to love it. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!